Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Has winter started there? In Delhi, winter has still not started. The weather is very hot and dry. But our marigolds have already started blooming in our garden. This is our last year flowers. And we collected seeds from this flower from the dry flowers. And this year we grew some plants from those seeds. As this year the winter hasn't started yet and the weather is very hot and dry, the flowers are small in size and their color is not right. In this video, I will tell you on how to take care of its sweet flowers in winter. In the previous marigold video, we had shared you on how you can make new plants from the seeds of the old plant. If you want, you can watch that video. Marigolds are a favorite flower of all of us and it can bring the color of sunshine to our garden. Not only that, but also it attracts very beneficial insects such as butterflies, bees, ladybugs, etc. And also, marigold seeds germinate quickly within just a few days and bloom in about 8 weeks only. So if you haven't planted your plants from seeds yet, what are you waiting for? You can do it right now as well. Here we had given a mixed fertilizer to our plant. Actually, we had given this a month ago. It is onion peel, banana peel and eggshell fertilizer. After giving this, look, so many birds are coming to our plants. Marigolds grown on ground generally don't need any kind of fertilizer. But if you're growing in a pot like we are growing, you have to give fertilizer every 15 days interval. If you give fertilizer during the growing phase, it can boost lots of foliage growth at the expense of flower production. Marigolds that are grown in containers or pots can benefit from a diluted liquid fertilizer watered in occasionally. In liquid fertilizers, my mom prefers the rice water the most. But even with all these, our plants might have some diseases or pests. To know if your plant has any kind of diseases or pests, make sure to check your plant regularly. And if your plant has any pest attack, then give neem spray or bioenzyme spray on the foliage or the soil. As our plants already have buds, my mom is preparing a very special kind of fertilizer for the plant. Here there are banana peel, mustard seed and groundnut fertilizer diluted with water. Keep it for 3 to 5 days before using it on the plant. Also make sure to check your plant time to time, so if you see any diseased part of the plant, make sure to remove it. And I hope you all know this, that before giving any kind of fertilizer, make sure to dig the soil. We will keep on giving videos until March so you can know how you can take care of this plant. Oh, and also after giving the special fertilizer, look at the flowers we have got. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.